Hi guys, so this is how you make apricot frozen banana smoothie. Whoa. Apricots, they make it more healthier. Now it's time to blend time. Tastes like apricots, tastes like bananas. I love it. You make apricot frozen banana smoothie. So this is what you need: hemp seeds, also almond milk, and also apricot, and also frozen bananas, and also vanilla yogurt, and also dates. And I'm going to show you what you need. So first, you put whoa, it's covering the water. This is vanilla yogurt. I love it. This. There for sweetness. And also, I'm going to put frozen bananas, the best. And by the way, you should make this kind of smoothie. There we go. I'm also going to put apricots. They make it more healthier. I'm going to put also this. Ramsey's are the best. Also milk. Almond milk, they make it more healthier also. Now it's time to blend time. There we go. Okay. Hey, yo, Ethan! What? Come and try the smoothie. Okay. Tastes like apricots, tastes like bananas. I love it. Man, really good. So refreshing, and it's also good for summer. And how'd you make it so sweet? Because I put dates. They make it super sweet. Man, that's really healthy. And is it a good summer thing to drink? Yeah. Like pools and that stuff? Yeah. Can I hug you though? And make sure you comment down below and hit the bell, and you'll get notified on all the videos we do. Tomorrow, I'm gonna make a new video. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye. This is what you need: hemp seeds, also almond milk, and also apricot, and also frozen bananas, and also vanilla yogurt, and also dates.